Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Naya Paperie unboxing. This is my first time ordering a cover directly from them, so I'm really excited. Here is the package. It came with this really gorgeous black dust bag. This is so nice. So yeah, let's just get started. Oh wow, that's so cute. And here, I have some samples too. This is so cute. This is so cute. Let's go ahead and open her up. Alright, so if you haven't been able to tell yet, this is a Hobonichi Weeks cover and I ordered it in their velvet cotton, which I hear is really good. So let's see it. Moment of truth. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. This feels so soft. It's so nice. It smells good too. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Here's the back pocket. Wow. This feels so soft, you guys. So this is again the velvet cotton. It is a nubuck leather, I think is what it's called. So it's so soft and plush. Oh my goodness. Okay. So before I talk more about this cover, let's see the samples real quick. I'm really curious about their other leathers too. I really like that they seem to have a variety of leathers to choose from. So let's see. This is black smooth. So a bit of pebbling to it. I don't know if you can see. There you go. So this feels really nice. And then here is, ooh, this is forest. So a very dark green. Definitely reminds me of a forest color. This is so soft too. Ooh. This definitely gives me forest vibes. Oh wow, this is tempting. This is so tempting. Okay, no, I'm not gonna order this, okay? We need to calm down. And then the last one is cocoa cream. Very smooth leather. It's nice brown leather here. This is so nice too. Oh gosh, these two are so tempting. Alright, okay, we need to calm down. We just bought a cover. Alright, so back to the cover here. This is the Naya Paperie Hobo Weeks compact cover. So if you go to their website, they have 3 options for the Hobonichi Weeks cover. They just have the regular one that only fits the regular Hobonichi Weeks, I think. And they have the Sparkly Peach collab and then the compact cover, which is what I got. So this is kind of an in-between the Sparkly Peach collab and the regular Hobonichi Weeks cover they have. So this one has way more pockets than the regular one. But if you check the dimensions on their website, this is a little bit smaller than the Sparkly Peach collab. And I didn't ask for square corners because I like rounded corners. I don't mind that. Let's take a look at the stitching. I know there has been some mixed reviews about it. So here's the stitching. It's not so bad. I'm aware that this is handmade, so I don't mind a little imperfection, honestly. And if you watch my previous video about Moterm, I'm not too torn up about imperfections in my leather. This looks so good. Here's the back pocket. I know I showed it earlier, but here it is again. The outer layer of the back pocket feels a lot thinner. And it feels so soft. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this. I did order the gold popper along with the 5cm chunky clasp. It's so cute. It's so cute. It feels heavy though. It feels very hefty, and I don't know if it's just me, but it feels quality to me, like the weight. I feel like the weight adds to the quality of this cover because it really does feel like you're holding something precious. Feels weighty. I like it. Alright, so before I move into this cover, let me compare it to my Moterm Veg Tan Hobonichi Weeks cover. So here's what it looks like. Let me see which is taller. Look to be about the same height. So that is interesting. So the clasp on the Moterm isn't as chunky, but I chose the largest clasp they have for Naya Paperie. And the inside layout, so the pen loop on the Naya Paperie doesn't point outwards like the Moterm does. But I think I like the Naya Paperie layout a lot better. I love secretarial pockets and I really like these card slots. So here's the comparison. So you have the 6 card slots on Moterm, and then you get the 2 side pockets here for the left side, and then the slip pocket for your notebook, And then the Naya Paperie, you just have the secretarial pocket, 3 card slots, and then an extra pocket here at the bottom. And then on the right side, both have a pen loop, both have a secretarial pocket, but the Naya Paperie is larger. And then the Naya Paperie has this extra pocket here at the bottom, and no extra full height pocket. And there's no bookmarks on the Naya Paperie one either. And the back pocket for Naya Paperie is an extra charge, so that doesn't come by default. You're gonna have to ask for that. And then the Moterm covers all have the back pocket. So that's a difference you can expect. I really like this cover. I'm not gonna stop saying that. I'm just so over the moon with this right now. I do have one more quick comparison before I move into this cover, and it's with the Janet Leather Velvet Sand. So I have this sample here that I ordered when they first came out with the Velvet Sand leather back in early 2021, I think. So here's what the Velvet Sand looks like against the Velvet Cotton. So the Velvet Sand from VDS looks more purple to me. Has that mauve undertone to it compared to the Velvet Cotton. I think between the two, I prefer the Velvet Cotton. I really like the color tone on this one. Okay, enough chit chat, let's just move in. I have my Hobonichi Weeks Mega here, which is supposed to fit this cover, even with the clear cover. So let's give it a spin. Alright, so here we go. Not gonna lie, I was really nervous moving in because I know that this is really sensitive leather and I didn't want to mark it up so quickly. But here it is with my Hobonichi Weeks Mega. It's so chunky. This is so cute. It's so cute. I love this super chunky clasp. Alright, so just a really quick run through of my cover right now. I just added some deco cards in the card slots, and I will say it was a little hard to put these cards in because these card slots are just cut into the leather, as opposed to the Moterm card slots where it's like layers of leather here. So that was a bit of a challenge. You definitely need to kind of stretch this out, I think, to make it easier to put cards in. Other than that, I'm loving this so far. And I'm really glad that I have a back pocket again because my Chic Sparrow doesn't have one. So I was stuffing my blotting paper, my receipts, and my writing board into the back of my cover. I like using the back pocket for storing extra things. Let me see if I can push my Hobonichi Weeks a little further in. I'm not sure if I'm in all the way. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I don't know, we'll see. This is so cute. I'm so happy I made this purchase. I've always wanted to try the Velvet Cotton and now I have it. I do use a planner pouch for my Hobonichi Weeks usually. This one. So this is actually for a Chic Sparrow White Tan. It's not meant for Hobonichi Weeks, so it's very roomy. I need to make a properly sized one for my Weeks cover soon. But this is what I use, and then I just put this in my planner tote and my covers are safe and sound. So that's the plan. And I don't mind using a planner pouch for my covers. It's part of the fun for me, and I like to crochet. I think it's relaxing and they're pretty easy to make. Alright, I'm really happy about this order. I'm aware that Naya Paperie doesn't have the best reviews, and so far I'm really happy with them, but I don't want to negate other people's experiences with Naya Paperie because I've gone through the same thing with a different planner brand. I'm not going to say who, but if you were following me back in 2020, you know who I'm talking about. And that was really frustrating for me because I felt like I was experiencing really bad customer service and people weren't being very nice to me about it because they were huge fans of that brand, and I don't want people to think that because they didn't have a good experience with Naya that they're wrong or, you know, what they went through isn't valid. I just want to share my experience, and so far I have a really good one, and I'm definitely going to be ordering from them again in the future. But anyway, here's my first impression. I'm loving it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about my cover, let me know down below. I will try my best to answer. And thanks so much for watching. This is Baba Notes, and I will see you next time. Bye!